I'm doing a video on the Moto Z3 Play. So Motorola has announced the Moto Z3 Play. So I'm on the press release thing. So let's check this phone out. So as you guys can see, the phone right there with Moto mods. So that's pretty nice. So yeah, check out this thing. All right. It says there's lots of premium smartphones on the market today, yet many consumers struggle to find one with all the features they want that is also accessible to them. We are challenging this with the Moto Z3 Play. It continues the Moto Z legacy, adding next level edge-to-edge display into sophisticated Motorola design and puts AI at your fingertips. With dual depth sensing, smart cameras, and smarter contextual computing, it's a high quality premium mobile experience accessible to everyone, with must-have features that matters most, and the opportunity to go beyond the everyday with Moto mods. The best part about Moto Z3 Play is it will get better with time as new Moto mods become available and AI and Moto experience gets richer. So that's a win right there. Do more with Moto mods. Your mobile experience doesn't end with your phone. That's why Moto Z and Moto mods push beyond the limitations of the ordinary smartphones, giving you advanced features in a snap. Our modular technology transforms your Moto Z3 Play into a mobile experience that lets you explore your passions. Print Polaroid pictures straight from your phone in seconds. Project a 70-inch screen wherever you are, or tap a personal assistant for music, news, questions, and more. To put it simply, the Moto Z family does what no other smartphone can. And because of our commitment to backwards compatibility, all your favorite Moto mods will work with your new Moto Z3 Play. So that's a fucking win right there, guys. So if you guys got a Moto mod from the Moto Z, that will work on this phone as well. So that's a fucking win. So you don't have to go out and buy new Moto mods and nothing like that if you guys don't want to. So if you guys got Moto mods from the first Moto Z, they will work on this phone, which I think it's a great. I think that's great. Motorola did a great job with that. So yeah, that's a win. Designed for you with edge-to-edge views. We designed Moto Z3 Play with you in mind. It's made entirely from Corning Gorilla Glass and lightweight aircraft grade aluminum for strength. See more and scroll less, with 13% more screen area and more pixels per inch than the last generation within the same device dimensions. The 6-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display gives you edge-to-edge views for binging a hot new show or catching up on your favorite blog. Moto Z3 Play is a perfect blend of maximum screen and minimum phone handling gymnastics. The fingerprint sensor is mounted on the side to declutter the screen and giving you a natural ergonomic location with fast, convenient access, and we've added the simple gesture-based one-button nav bar at the bottom, further improving the usability of a large screen. So yeah, so the fingerprint sensor is on the right side of the phone. I think the power button's on the left, which is interesting. It has a 6-inch display, Full HD Super AMOLED. It has gesture-based navigation here, so kind of like Android P here. But the Moto Z3 Play comes with 8.1 audio. So it has the pill navigation bar at the bottom of the phone. So that's pretty cool if you guys are interested in that. I personally don't like that. it would take me a while to get used to the gesture thing. It would take me a while to get used to that. Oh, and intelligent camera experience. Capture brilliant, sharp photos even on cloudy days or indoors with dual 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel artificial intelligence powered cameras. A first for emergency replay. Get creative with the depth sensing AI cameras. New photo features including cinemagraphs with Google Lens built right in. The emergency replay smart camera allows you to augment your world by recognizing objects so you can search and shop better, interact with text, and learn more about landmarks you visit. The smart camera adds cinemagraphs for a fun and creative touch to your photos by freezing a moment in the video while keeping the part of the shot animated. A unique combination of videos and photo, and for that the perfect selfie. All you have to do is select portrait mode, and the emergency replay upgraded 8 megapixel front facing camera takes care of the rest. The performance you need. Moto Play provides faster performance and AI-assisted interaction so you can be more productive on your smartphone. We've made this year's Moto Z Play 30% faster than we made this year's Moto Z Play 30% faster with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 processor, but getting more done on your phone is not only a tribute to chipset speed, it's a function of shortening the distance between action and intent. Natural language interaction is playing an increasingly important role in this. Always chatting with Google Assistant. Moto Z3 Play excels at voice interaction, featuring 4 microphones and low-power natural language processing. Moto Z3 Play will pick up your voice even when you're not holding your phone or in a noisy environment. So that's pretty cool. 4 microphones, that's a win. Moto experiences. Moto Z3 Play comes with all the intuitive Moto experiences you love, including Moto Display and Moto Actions. They let you easily access useful phone functionality at the exact right time. Before you get to bed, Night Display automatically adjusts your screen to warmer tones to help you sleep. Need to snap a picture? Just twist your wrist to open the camera. Need extra light? Turn on the flashlight with a single chop motion. Take a screenshot using quick screenshot capture with an easy 3-finger gesture. Alright, so they got the they still got those in there. The special gestures, like you twist the wrist to open the camera, you chop the turn on the flashlight, and you just 3-finger gesture to take a screenshot. Bundles that work for you. Customizing your smartphone to match your own wants and needs is more accessible thanks to Moto Z3 Play and Moto Mod bundles. Whether you are looking for more power, up to 40 hours of combined battery life when you attach a Moto Power Pack, or entertainment on the go, Moto Mod bundles have you covered. Check with your local team on bundles for your market. Availability and pricing. Moto Z3 Play will be available in Brazil today, which is June 6th. So it's available in Brazil today, and it will roll out globally starting this month. So it's available in Brazil today. So if you guys are in Brazil, the Moto Z3 Play is available for you to pick up. The new Moto Z3 Play will be available this summer in the US at Sprint and US Cellular. So that's an interesting thing right there. As you guys saw, Sprint and US Cellular is getting this phone, and you guys will notice something. Verizon is not getting this phone. They're not getting it. I'm gonna say they're not getting it for now, but that may change. But they're not getting it. Because usually the Moto Z and the Moto Z2 they went to Verizon, and then I think T-Mobile got the Moto Z2 last year. So now it's Sprint's turn to get a Moto Z. So they're getting the Moto Z to play. So is US Cellular. They're getting that. You can buy the phone, unlock, and use it on any carrier you want here in the US. So it's going to Sprint and US Cellular when it launches. It's going there. It says the Moto Z Play will also be available universally unlocked at retailers including Best Buy, Walmart, Target, Fry's, B&H Photo, and a Primex switch of phone on Amazon. At retail, the Moto Z Play will be bundled with a battery motor mod for $4.99. That's a win. When you guys get if you guys buy the phone, you guys will get a motor mod power pack in there. That's a win, dude. So $4.99 for all that good stuff. The new Moto Z3 Play will be available this summer in Canada at Videotron, Bell Mobility, Virgin Mobile Canada, MTS, and Sestel. Alright. So yeah, it's gonna be coming out this summer to the US and Canada. It's available in Brazil today. The Moto Z3 Play will be $4.99 outright. In the US, it's going to Sprint and US Cellular. In Canada, it's going to a whole slew of carriers over here. Videotron, Bell Mobility, Virgin Mobile Canada, MPS, and Sestel in Canada. So, yeah. You can buy the phone unlocked, of course, at Best Buy, Walmart, Target, Fry's, B&H Photo, and they'll be available as a Prime exclusive smartphone on Amazon. So be on the lookout for that. So yeah, before $4.99, which isn't too bad for the phone. You get, I think there's 2 storage options. I believe there's 32 gig or 64 gig. So just keep that in mind. I don't know if it's a micro SD card or not. I don't know. It's a nice phone, man. It looks like the Moto Z and Moto Z2. The Moto Z3 Play looks like the Moto Z and the Moto Z2 on the back, but the screen on the front of it, it's a bit different. It has an 18:9 aspect ratio. And the good news is that the motor mods that you guys had from the Moto Z will work on this phone as well. So no need to go out and buy new motor mods if you don't want to. So that's a win right there. So you guys got all the motor mods from the first Moto Z. They will work on this phone as well. They got the gamepad mod now that came out last year from the Moto Z2. That will work on here. They got the Polaroid thing. They got the projector, which is my favorite motor mod. That's my favorite one. The gamepad would be great for when Fortnite Mobile comes out on Android later this summer. So yeah, man. So that's my thoughts on the Moto Z3 Play. It's coming out this summer to US and Canada via carriers in the US, Sprint and US Cellular. In Canada, you have a whole bunch of carriers. It's available in Brazil today. And you guys will be able to buy it unlocked as well at stores here in the US. So yeah, so are you guys gonna get the Moto Z3 Play? Are you guys interested in this phone? Are you guys gonna get it? Have you guys had the previous 2 generations of the Moto Z? What motor mods do you have? So yeah, that's all pretty much it, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.